this has got such a wide lens on it.
It does.
This makes it good. Well, Gary, Mike Letson, it's good to see you.
Good to see you, buddy.
I appreciate you taking me for a ride in your Jeep today, this Jeep that you restored for your father.
My father, a World War II Navy veteran.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, the amazing part, he's still living, and I'm still able to take it in, to go in, pick him up, take him around.
And that's a blessing, isn't it?
Absolutely a blessing, it really is. He's determined to do two things: live at home until his last day, and not take any medicine. And he's doing both of them. No prescription medicine. And he and Mom are still living at home, 97, 94.
That is an incredible story.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah. So you're from Indiana.
Yes.
Is your dad there too?
No, I grew up in Georgetown, Kentucky is where I grew up. Got a job at IBM, went to North Carolina for 16 years. Then I came back to Indiana with IBM, moved closer to home. And I've been here since 99, I guess.
Okay.
So, it's still where home is.
So we met you here at River's Edge RV Park.
Yes.
And you're across the aisle or road from us. And
right.
You've got your RV. You had some mechanical problems. You've been continuing with that. But you pulled this. You got this Jeep that you pull in a trailer, an enclosed trailer, behind your RV, right?
That's exactly right. It's a 20-foot trailer, 6-foot tongue. I pull it behind the RV. It's the only way I could haul this and not worry about tearing it up.
Right,
so,
right.
Is an enclosed trailer. So,
right.
But we've got the trailer actually pretty packed full. We've got a dredge in there. We've got a trailer, and we got 3 kayaks in the Jeep. So we're here to do it all while we're up here.
You have a dredge?
Yeah.
Are you going to do some gold mining while you're
there? You go. Well, that's the plan if we can find a place. And then my brother thought today he might have found some place where we can go. So we'll see.
Yeah.
But that was the whole plan before we left home, was to come up and do gold mining.
So how long have you been on the road?
I left home June 1st, and I should be home August 31st, maybe.
Okay.
On my way, I'm planning about a month and a half, 2 months up here, and then head home. But if I get a wild hair on the way home, decide I got enough money and time, I may wander down through California and Grand Canyon and see some more of the states on the way down.
Yeah. Well, that's the nice thing about having a motor coach. All your things with you, you can do just about what you...
Where the wind blows,
yeah.
You can go.
Yeah.
And you don't have to have a place to plug up, as long as you go stop someplace and buy diesel.
Yeah, that's right. You got a generator on there that's pretty much self-sufficient.
Yep, that's exactly right.
So I'm going to show, I take some video of the Jeep that you took me for a ride in it, and she purrs like a kitten, like I said. And you restored it, and your son-in-law, you told me, is doing most of the mechanical part for the engine.
He's the mechanic. I hand him the wrenches and get out of his way. I know my limitations. A couple of times he got fed up with me because I wanted to paint stuff before he put it together, but because he was in a hurry to get it together and get it running and make sure it all worked. But that's all right. I understood where he was at and what it was about. And it was a 5-year project from the time I bought it until the time I bought it. So, an interesting time.
Yeah, well, you know, we have an airplane come by, since we are parked by the airport.
Yeah, why would you have an airplane? But yeah, he's the mechanic. He does the work, and he does a great job. And before I left, I said, hey, I need you to look at something. He came over, we went through it from stem to stern. All right, you're ready to go. Have fun.
Right. Well, I know we rode in it, and mechanically it is very sound. And the engine is very smooth running. And the transmission, the gears shift smoothly, no grinding.
No.
So the clutch seems to be good.
The only grinding is driver error.
Look at that. And we talked about this. These are simple engines today, and it is the basic internal combustion engine right here. If you understand the internal combustion engine, you can just about do anything with this guy. Yeah. And you got a shovel under here. That's part of digging yourself or making a foxhole, I'm assuming, or something.
Either that or to dig it out when you get stuck.
And I guess that's a standard option.
Actually, that was the exact place where the shovel would have been in the service. So,
Okay.
This Jeep came off of the Crane Naval Base in Indiana, so it has Navy history. The numbers on the hood are my father's service numbers, and then his ship number is LST 1132.
Okay. All right. Well, that's good. All right, Gary. I appreciate it, man. That's quite a machine you have there. It's well done, and I know you're proud of it, and I am too. I'm just grateful you took me for a ride. I enjoyed it.
I appreciate you going for the ride. You know, that's the only way I see it as a way to honor my father is to share it. I didn't restore it to go in a museum to sit in the garage and say I restored it.
Yeah.
I restored it to use it and share it and make everybody stop and think about what our servicemen and women have gone through.
That's beautiful. That's just so powerful when you say words like that. It makes me have chill bumps when you say that. Can we walk over and let's take a look at the trailer and what you have on the side of the trailer?
Yeah, we can do that.
All right,
we can do that. This thing's still 24 volts, so it's original military 24 volt system.
No grinding. Clutching, smooth. All right, here we are. So here is the trailer. How many feet is it?
20 feet.
20 feet.
With a V-nose, so it adds 4 or 5 feet to it.
Yeah. So where did? Yeah, I saw that toy. I was impressed when I saw that the other day. Where did you see us? Hashtag Sid's Jeep. Oh, you do have some things in there.
Yeah, just a few.
This is the little robot that I saw Gary using the other day. He was moving this trailer. So Gary has put the switch on. He's powered it up. So this robot moved this trailer about 3 or 4 days ago, and I saw it out here and I said, what in the world is that? And Gary was moving his trailer so he could get his RV back in behind it. So impressive piece of equipment.
So it'll run for 23 minutes with a load. It goes to 23 foot per minute with a load.
Wow.
29 foot per minute done load. Supposed to do a 6-degree grade with a 9,000 pound trailer. So.
Wow, that's amazing. So let me get a shot of this while you're standing by. I'll get over here so we can get a nice shot with some sun on it. The other side, it's got, I was on the other side, it had the trees and all such. So this is the decal, the Navy decal with your dad's service number.
Yep.
And the ship number, well, LST, what was
1132.
it? 1132.
Yep.
And your dad's name is Sid.
Sid Hisel.
And did he buy this Jeep, or did you buy it?
I bought it.
Okay.
I found it and bought it.
Okay.
Off of Craigslist, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, this will get you there. If you go onto the website, the QR code will get you there.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thanks again, Gary. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Mike.
You're a good man. All right. Bye-bye.